some hacks to stop iPhone spam calls. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the phone option available there. Inside phone, scroll down and there you will get to see silence unknown callers. Tap on it, and if it is toggled off, then simply turn it on. What happens is it will silence all the unknown callers call. Now go back to the phone settings and from there tap on the call blocking and identification option available there. First, make sure that you have downloaded the Truecaller app on your mobile device and toggle on each and every options available there. Now all you have to do is go to any web browser and search for do not call registry option. Type down it first of all and press enter or go. Then tap on the first national do not call registry shown there. Now all you have to do is place your number there. Placing your number on the do not call registry will stop telemarketing calls. So only telemarketing calls that solicit sales of goods or services are covered by the national do not call registry. So you won't have more of the unknown calls or scammers on your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.